Hey friends, I am just going to do something that's not cooking this afternoon, and I thought I'd show you another little trick and something you can do in your Thermomix, which is very helpful. Do you wash your produce? You get things in bags, and of course, as I get bulk stuff, it goes in the sink. I fill the sink up. But when it's just one item, I love to use my Thermomix to do a little wash. So I've just emptied a bag of grapes, red grapes in there, and as you can see, they're covered in white chemical. And you know, a lot of this pesticide residue is impacting our health, and a lot of people don't think about the actual wash. So I'm going to show you, before I go putting that in there, a veggie wash that I do use. I'm not gaining any benefit from this. I've just picked this up from my health food shop. You can do it yourself. You can make a vinegar, lemon juice, bicarb soda, whatever you like to do, hydrogen peroxide, and you can fill your sink and do that. Or you could have a little spray bottle and make some up where you just spray your apples and anything that you're going to eat, like the skins of pears. But in a case of this, where I'm just wanting to pump, got it on an angle. Isn't that funny? Wants to be jammed today. I would usually just do one pump in here. It's quite thick and it's a bit cold, so that's probably why it's not wanting to come. But anyway, that's called the fruit and veggie wash. But I have just popped in vinegar as well. Vinegar's a great cleaner and it does do the trick. And then I've just put about 1.5 litres of water in there. You just don't want to make it too high, but you want it high enough so it's going to give all those grapes a wash. You could do this with blueberries, strawberries, any other fruit that you have to wash. And we're just going to do speed 9, and I'm just going to do that for 30-40 seconds. That's what my instructions say here, that easy to use and takes just 30 seconds. So let's go with 40 seconds. Alright, because I used my pump, you can see that's a little bit of, it's got citrus essential oils, and it has done a bit of a foam up, so you've just got to remember to watch that. I love the fact that the Thermomix does have that good cup measurement of liquid that it can contain on the lid, which is good, and that is just something to be mindful of when you're using something foamy. Want the foam, want the oils to dissolve, and I'll just take this over to the sink. And you could let it sit and soak if you wanted a bit longer. You can use your spatula to pull this out, but I haven't pulled that out ahead of time. And I'm just going to rinse that now. So that's just giving it a splash and a wash through. Some things, of course, we can sit in a bowl and just let sit. But other things I just love when, you've got like a good bunch of grapes there, and the agitation, the movement of the water is just running through and lifting that dirt, debris, bacteria and chemical residue from off my fruit. Give that a try.